Welcome to the Oracle Cloud VMware Solution connecting an on-premises data center to the Oracle Cloud via MegaPort demo. This demo will demonstrate how to connect your virtual cloud network, VCN, to your on-premises data center via FastConnect utilizing MegaPort's Network as a Service offering. FastConnect allows Oracle's customers to connect their on-premises data center over dedicated, private, high-bandwidth connections to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, which includes Oracle Cloud VMware Solution. Oracle Cloud VMware Solution is comprised of VMware vSphere, VMware NSX, VMware ACX, and VMware vSAN. Here's the topology of the configuration. Let me explain what's in place already and what I will configure in the demo. I will start with the MegaPort Cloud Router, MCR, in the center of the screen. To the left of the MCR is a virtual circuit that exists in the MegaPort Cloud. It has been provisioned to a physical port that is connected to my edge router. The edge router has been configured for BGP. There's a virtual cloud network on the far right that has already been created in the Oracle Cloud. The DRG, FastConnect connection, and virtual circuit in green I will create and configure in the demo. As I stated earlier, the red virtual circuit is up, but there is still work to be done on the MCR to bring up the green circuit. So I will show that too in the demo. Here is a breakdown of the tasks to be completed. Instead of only telling you and showing you the steps in the demo, I wanted to create this slide for you as a blueprint for future reference. I also think it's worth mentioning that Oracle does not charge for the data transfer over the private connection, only a flat rate for the port speed chosen. Any additional charges incurred will be from the service provider providing you the virtual circuit like MegaPort, or the cost of maintaining your physical infrastructure. Into the Oracle Cloud we go. First up, creating the dynamic routing gateway. The DRG will be the router that peers with the on-premise edge router using BGP. Name the DRG. Create it. Once provisioned, the DRG needs to be attached to the VCN. Name the DRG attachment. Select the virtual cloud network that it will attach. Next is the provisioning of the FastConnect connection. From the dropdown, choose MegaPort as the FastConnect provider. I will name the FastConnect connection. Associate the FastConnect connection to the DRG. This circuit will be 1 gigabit per second. Enter the BGP information for the Oracle side and the customer side. Customer side in this instance means my on-premises data center. For now, we are done with the configuration in the Oracle portal. Moving to the MCR in the MegaPort portal to complete the setup on the other side of the virtual circuit. In the MegaPort portal, I find my MCR and create a new connection. In the portal, it wants me to enter the Oracle Virtual Circuit ID. This Virtual Circuit ID was generated when I created the FastConnect connection in the Oracle portal, so I need to return to the Oracle portal to capture the ID. I have the ID, so let's return to the MegaPort portal and drive on with the configuration. Select the location, hit Next. Name the connection. Select the rate limit. I'm only using 100 megabits per second. MegaPort supports up to 1 gig. This portion of the configuration is very similar to what I configured on the FastConnect connection. I have to enter the interface IP address that Oracle Cloud will peer with and the BGP information. In order to find the ASN, return to the Oracle portal. Look under the BGP information tab, and you will see the Oracle BGP ASN. Click Add. Usually you would click Next, then Add Virtual Cross Connect, and then order your circuit. No configuration value is displayed, so I will just remove these steps from the demo video altogether. I return to the Oracle console and wait for the connection to come up. Be patient here. First the virtual circuit comes up, and then BGP. I've edited out the wait time. It could take a few minutes for BGP to come up. The virtual circuit comes up in a few seconds. The last thing I want to show you is the route table associated to the DRG after everything is complete. You can see that I'm learning routes from the virtual cloud network and the FastConnect attachment. The VCN routes exist in the Oracle Cloud, and the FastConnect routes are being advertised to the Oracle Cloud over the FastConnect connection. Thank you for watching the Oracle Cloud VMware Solution connecting an on-premises data center to the Oracle Cloud via MegaPort demo. To learn more, visit the Oracle Cloud VMware Solution page at vmware.com.